In today's video, we're going to be covering everything you need to know about our new X Series furniture. So why do we make furniture? Breeo exists to solve problems around the campfire. That's what we've always done. Sit around the campfire and come up with innovative solutions to make hanging out around the fire more convenient, more comfortable, and more fun. As we sat around hundreds of fires over the last 10 years, we noticed a series of small annoyances. The first one is that Adirondack chairs, which are typically around the fire, sit too low and too far back to feel the warmth from the flames and to have a meal around the fire. So we decided, let's solve that problem by making a campfire-focused chair that's at the perfect height to experience the warmth from the flames, the conversation with your friends by the fire. The next problem we wanted to solve was how to eat a steak without cradling your plate on your lap. Introducing the Outrigger tray. The tray allows you to have a full dining experience comfortably without having to leave the warmth of the campfire. And while we were at it, we added a cup holder with a bottle opener on the side. The next problem we wanted to solve was how to avoid the endless trips back and forth from the woodshed. We wanted a wood storage solution that looked great, kept the wood out of the weather, and was at arm's reach, so you could stay in your X Series chair, enjoying the fire, and add a log whenever you wanted to. The X Series table not only solved the wood storage problem, it also solves the issue of where to bring your food, prep your food, and serve your food when you're around the campfire. The Outrigger T-track system that you'll see on both arms of the chair as well as underneath the rim of the X Series table allows you to mount these accessories as well as an outpost holder so that you can mount your grill to the X Series table and prep your food before transferring the outpost to the fire. We decided to make the functional fireside furniture out of poly lumber and stainless steel. Stainless, obviously, because it's a material that we are passionate about using here at Breeo. We believe in 304 stainless is a great material for outdoor products, very corrosion resistant, and stands up well to the elements. But we needed another material to pair it with, and we decided on poly lumber. Poly lumber is a recycled product that comes primarily from milk jugs. It's manufactured here in America, it's maintenance free, it doesn't splinter, it doesn't fade, and we're a huge fan of it as a primary material for this collection because of its durability and just a great option for a backyard environment. All of the X Series furniture is made right here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania by our craftsmen on the team here at Breeo. Here at Breeo, we are passionate about making high quality products close to home where we can monitor the quality, attention to detail, and craftsmanship that goes into every single one of our products. The stainless accents and design features of the X Series furniture collection makes it a perfect match for the X Series fire pit in your backyard. 10 years ago, we set out to perfect the best possible campfire experience, and the X Series furniture collection is the next evolution of that journey. We're incredibly excited to bring you the X Series furniture from Breeo. We feel it solves a host of problems around the fire and makes every experience with friends and family that much more memorable.